Team Uno Knights, wearing jersey number 12, Mr. Salceda. Wearing jersey number 8, Mr. Crescencio. Wearing jersey number 6, Micarte. Wearing jersey number 9, Mr. Lapo. Wearing jersey number 19, Cordoba. O first 5 sa Team Waisur. Wearing jersey number 10, Beloy. Wearing jersey number 7, Yanez. Wearing jersey number 0, Enriquez. Wearing jersey number 27, Salugsud. Wearing jersey number 1, Nakwa. First 5 sa Manag Team, Katungak. First 5 sa Manag Team sa Tungak. Aray, pang, Yara atong Yolan, ang championship goal. Hindi na ito mailan kung kinsay mabilin, kung kinsay mutungtong sa champion. This game is played between Team Scatter versus Team Waisur versus Uno Knights.
Asam mo ko ma, bitin mo rin.
Diba? Insect. Karga Abula. Let's start this ball game. A Champions Championship game. Rebound, Salceda. Cordoba. Isilia, wala. Cordoba again. Nakuha ni Talugsud. Pass to Yanez from the city of Wood. Pwede mo Yanez. In the turn. Wala. Nakuha ni Bilong. Hindi sila ba 6 connect. Gospel the Mr. Bilomoy. Talugsud. Salceda. Bas Komay. Dikarte. Tutup. Pintas. Bulitas.
Pol rin, ditabo.
Team Waisur, Team Uno Knights basketball. Igarte, pass to Lape. Ngayon nagkapasahan, pass to Crescencio hesitate, Crescencio pumapang ng tres. Wala, dyan malakas na kuha ni Birongoy, dukdok ang bola. Birongoy, nagtabas tayo, Birongoy, kumito wala. Kupot na, Birongoy. Grabe. Unpredictable moves, Mr. Birongoy. Bigarte, itawa ka bola. Bigarte, tumukol ng tres. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Bigarte, currently 6 minutes. First quarter. Yanez dribbling the ball. Yanez, lumusot using the glass. Wala masyadong nakuha ng Salceda, intercepted to Salugsud, pass to Birongoy. It's a foul. May tawag. Foul committed. Ang gagawin. Foul committed by Mr. Micarte. Mr. Micarte, you get the first personal foul. First, for the team foul. Waisur basketball. Pass to Yanez. Birongoy. Turn around. It's a foul. May sumabit. Foul committed by Cordoba. You get your first personal foul. Second for the team foul. 2 free throws for Mr. Birongoy. First throw attempt. No good. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw attempt. No good pa rin. Rebound by Salceda, pass to Micarte. Migarte, state, Migarte. May sumabit. May tawag, foul committed by Saludsod. Saludsod, they get their first personal foul. First for the team foul. First throw, connect. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw attempt. Connect, 2 points all in all, Mr. Migarte. Inbound by Mr. Birongoy. Mr. Birongoy, pass to Enriquez. Enriquez back to Birongoy. Birongoy, the pass driver. Pass to Yannis. Yannis, nag-iisip. Yannis, nag-iisip. Pass to Enriquez. Isitin, Enriquez! Wala! Nakuha ni Mr. Salceda, pass to Crescencio. Crescencio dribbling the ball. Crescencio kita ang bola. Mr. Crescencio, kita lang Migarte na intercepted by Nakwa. Pass to Enriquez. Dribbling the ball. Enriquez. Intercepted by Mr. Lape. Pinagawa ng Mr. Birongoy, kita kakaayan. Yes! Wala, nakuha ni Mr. Cordoba. Enriquez naman Birongoy. Ibalik! Nakuha ni Salceda, pass to Lape, pass to Migarte, using the glass, yes, connect. 2 points, Mr. Migarte. Nakuha to Saludsod to Yanez. It's a foul. May sumabit. Foul committed by Mr. Lape. Mr. Lape, you get the first personal foul. Third for the team foul. Reserve substitution. Gawas, sulod. In habunan out, Saludsod. Habunan for the inbound. Waishun, basketball, habunan for the inbound. Pass to Enriquez to Andres. Wala nakuha ni Mr. Abunan umikot. Mr. Abunan, using the glass, yes, connect. 2 points, Mr. Abunan. Grabe ka sa riwa, bagong sulod. 2 puntos dito. Migarte. Pass to Lape, tabok ang bola. Lape, pass to Salceda. Hesitate, Salceda, lumusot. Wala, rebound ni Mr. Enriquez. Kaya nakapasahan, pass to Birongoy to Yanez, lumusot. Pabandang tira, yes, connect. 2 puntos, Mr. Yanez. Salceda, out of bounds. A miscommunication. Reserve timeout. Team Waishur, time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds, first quarter. 3 minutes and 44 seconds, first quarter. Score, 7 against 8 in favor of Waishur.
Kira-kira.
We would like to thank our referee officials for tonight, Mr. Abiyay and Mr. Anadon. Thank you, sir. And we would like also to thank for our photographer for tonight, Mr. Lumaka. Rather. Yanez, kapitin mo ng bola. Yanez, kita lang ang Nakwa. Connect, 2 puntos, Mr. Nakwa. Salceda, pass to Plazo, retrieve the ball. Plazo, kapitin mo ng bola. Plazo, itabok ang bola. Plazo, nagpasahan, pass to Mr. Lape, fake, Lape, pumukol ng 3. Lugod ako ni Mr. Nakwa. Out of bounds. Paunay, nasipaan ang bola. It's basketball. Remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. First quarter. It's basketball. Inbound by Salceda. Pass to Migarte, fake, babandang tira. Tuloy. 2 points, Mr. Migarte. Birongoy to pin the ball. Birongoy to pass level. Pass to Mr. Habunan. Pumukal ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Salceda. Pass to Mr. Migarte, ginawa ka bola. Migarte, pumukal ng 3. sinabunan kung how to shoot at three. Yanez guming the ball. Yanez gusto mo umawi. Tumira ng press. Wala. Nasa malakas na ako ni Mr. Salceda. Salceda na buong mula. Mr. Salceda tuloy-tuloy. Sinabunan. Aras pa ilape. Sinabunan. It's a lifting violation. Look at it. Clapping. Technical violation. Bonus throw. Why sure basketball? Time remaining 2 minutes and 13 seconds first quarter. Yanez, nag-iisip. Yanez. Reserve substitution. Yanez, bumukol ng tres! Wala na kuha ni Mr. Crescenzo. Mr. Crescenzo, pass to Salceda. Time remaining 2 minutes first quarter. Crescenzo, tumira ng tres! No good. Mr. Beromay. Pass to Mr. Yanez. 15 seconds to shoot at ball. Mr. Yanez nagkakalit na foul. Nice umabe. Foul committed by Mr. Plaza. Mr. Plaza, you get your first personal foul. Fourth for the team foul. Warning for team penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds is for 12 against 10 in favor of Uno Knights. Beromay. Back to Habunan pick. Lumusot. Dulos Portos. Mr. Habunan. Warning delay in the game. Team Waisur. Plazo dribbling the ball. Mr. Plazo. Ang bola. Pass to Salceda. Tumira ng tres. 1, 2, 3. Mr. Salceda. Pero Enriquez to Yanez. Yanez time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yanez lumusot. Who's foul rep? Foul committed by Mr. Plazo. Mr. Plazo, you get your second personal foul. Team penalty. Jumpers ready for the bonus throw. Bonus throw. Connect. 2 points all. Mr. Yanez. Salceda for the inbound. Pass to Lape, 10 minutes. Last 1 minute. Lape, tuloy-tuloy, wala na kuha ni Mr. Enriquez. Nangyayari pa saan, pass to Beromay ito, nakwa to Yanez, 15 seconds to shoot, tapos Yanez. Pass to may karte ito, Crescenzo, palang natin naman sa lakas na buwan ni Mr. Lape. Mr. Lape ang rebound. Mr. Lape ito, may karte ito, meron ng tres! Wala! Ito ni Mr. Beromay to Yanez. Kami may 35 seconds, Yanez to, abunan, tabanda sila, wala na ba Mr. Yanez? Yan Japon, mabanda sila. Wala pa rin! Mr. Yanez again, 3 times, wala pa rin! Nakuha ni Mr. Yanez, yan Japon. Kami may 20 seconds. It's a foul. Who's foul up? Foul committed to Mr. Micarte. Mr. Micarte, you get your second personal foul. Team penalty. 2 free throws for Mr. Yanez. Time remaining 21 seconds. First throw, connect. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Wala, 1 point, rebound by Mr. Salceda. Pass to Plazo, time remaining 15 seconds. Out of bounds, immense communication. Time remaining 15 seconds. Waisur, basketball is score. 15 against 16 in favor of team Waisur. 13 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining, first quarter. 7 seconds remaining, nakwa for 3. Wala. 3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds remaining. Waisur basketball. 3 seconds remaining. 3, 2. 1 second remaining. 2 points. Abunan. End of the first period. Score 15 against 18 in favor of Team Waisure.